Yeah, it's trying to take off too.
Damn it.
Yeah, it's feeding back.
How about this? Zero, audio. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's almost got it.
That's the best I can do, man. That's the best I can do.
Yeah, that'll get it. Don't sound like you got a whole lot of echo in there.
That's right. 1, 2, 3.
Roger on that. Can you hear me all right? Roger on that.
What's it like in Cali?
It's hot, man. Set a heat record out here yesterday, 105 in Sacramento.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, it's getting on down out here. Come on. I heard that, I did.
Roger. But it's good to hear you on the radio.
Yeah, that was 30 dBs right there, man. Good to hear you on the radio. Come on.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn this old box down there, playing like this.
Roger on you turning the box down.
I'm turn the box down there, playing like this, and yeah, I think I'm good with about 500-600 watts, maybe.
Hey, Roger on that there. Yeah, this mess must be sounding good today. It must be sounding good. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it up there on 28. Come on.
Oh, man, you rocking and rolling on 28.
Hey, Roger on that. Did you hear me up there?
Yeah, got
What'd you say?
Oh, yeah. There we go.
Yeah, I was getting on down up there on 28. Had me a good time up there. Come on.
Oh, you ain't kidding, man. You ain't kidding. That's right. Man, it is a damn shame.
What's a shame, man? What's a shame? Come on. Yeah, that Mexican was in there with you. What is a shame? What'd you say a shame was?
Yeah, phone call, man. Phone call.
All right, man. I'll catch you later, man. Have a good one. Check. Catch you later, Apache. 728 in Tennessee. Your friend to the end out here in Gold Country in Northern Cal. Mr. 112 just got on down.
Man, he sound good, man. He sound good. You got on there, Mr. 112. Smokey Hills of Tennessee.
All right, man. I'll get this gate uploaded and I'll send it to you on Facebook. We'll catch you later, man. We back at it.